There's a nuthatch right there. Right there. That little speck is that nuthatch. The question is, will you ever make it to the feeder? The answer? We may never know. He's behind there with all these birds. Also, oh, I think he left. Yeah, he left. But we've been growing support of these videos. There will be nature gaming videos soon. But the point of these videos is to show nature in all its glory. And here at my house, we feed birds and just and magnificent. The support, I love it. Thank you for 248 subscribers. Yeah. I'm just gonna you guys show this. The video will end whenever it ends. Alright, I'm not gonna talk anymore. Goodbye.